Good day everyone. First we need to know what the ingredients are. Half a kilogram of bread, 1 liter of milk, 4 eggs, 300 grams of sugar for the caramel, 250 grams of sugar, 6 bananas or the ones you wish, 2 tablespoons of vanilla, and those are the ingredients. Then we continue with the procedure. First step, heat the sugar in a pan approximately 5 minutes to melt it and get the caramel. Step number 2. Put it into the baking dish and spread it all over it. Do it as quickly as possible, but be careful because it is still hot. Step number 3. Pour the milk into the container with the pieces of bread. Number 4. Break the eggs in a container and add the sugar gradually and mix it. Add the vanilla and keep stirring it. Then you add that mix to the bread. Step number 5. Blend all the ingredients until you get a thick dough. Step number 6. Add it to the baking dish, which you previously has placed some bananas slices in it. And final step, bake it for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees, and that's it. Let it cool and serve it.